Sounds like a great plan for the weekend. Get yourself near the water where it's a little bit cooler because it is warm.
It is warm, but it's even going to be warm there. So the beer garden probably a really happening place. A lot of people probably getting maybe even some sodas if they can't get the alcohol, or just bring lots of water wherever you go this weekend because temperatures are staying above average. But we are going to introduce the marine layer coming our way. For today, though, out over toward Mission Beach, these folks had the right idea, putting on some shorts as they enjoy the sunshine, going for a nice bike ride or run. This pattern will continue for tomorrow. The good news is, though, temperatures are going to begin to drop. For today, though, it was ice scorcher out towards Santee, 96 degrees. That is exactly what I had forecast for inland locations, so right on track there. Right now, continuing to deal with clear skies and a warm night. Out over toward Coronado, around 74 degrees. Normally this time of night, we're around 69 degrees, so rolling about 5 degrees warmer than normal into the evening hours as well as even into the morning. Mira Mesa, about 78 degrees, and El Cajon, around 77. Not only are we warm, but the humidity, it is back as well. So the more moisture we have in the air, it's harder to warm up, which is why tomorrow we're not going to see temperatures as high as where they were today. The other thing the moisture indicates is we have enough of that juicy air mass in place to lead to a little bit of cloud coverage for us into the early morning hours. The area of high pressure that's been the dominant feature for us is now right overhead, which is why today we saw our max temperatures of the entire week. But it's beginning to nudge a little bit further out over toward the east, and as it does so, it'll take a little bit more heat along with it. So for tomorrow, we are going to see temperatures fall about 3 degrees along the coast and inland communities, yet still remaining about 5 degrees above average. We won't get seasonal until we get to around Tuesday, but at least we'll begin to see a small dip in temperatures. Starting you off at around 8 a.m. tomorrow, already into the low to mid 70s for the coastline. Inland areas getting closer to the upper 70s. There may be a little bit of that fog lingering right along the coastline along I-5 for you into Oceanside and Carlsbad. It should be gone, though, once you get to around the 8 a.m. hour. 1 o'clock for you. Temperatures now no longer into the 90s. They're about 89 degrees in Santee, so a nice change there. La Mesa about 88 degrees. Carlsbad now looking at around 81 compared to today on into the mid 80s. And even for your evening commute, a few more clouds trying to enter the forecast for you along the coastline. Compare this out over towards Saturday, and I think that at 1 o'clock will be our high temperature. So finally reaching the lower 90s for inland areas, the coastline on into the lower 80s. I think that number's a little high. We'll go for about 80 degrees for you on your Saturday, and Labor Day going 78. Inland areas 94 tomorrow, 93 degrees on Saturday, down to the upper 80s on Monday. The mountains 90 degrees. Temperatures are actually going to jump a little bit more for you. The desert's 110, staying hot, and then 108 for the weekend. Let's look at your 7-day forecast, guys. Back.